In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome not working. If Google Chrome is not opening properly, freezing, or just refusing to respond, one of the quickest things you can do is check whether Chrome is already running in the background and close those stuck processes. This is a simple fix, and in many cases it can get Chrome working again without needing to restart your entire computer. To begin, go to the bottom left side of your screen and use the search area to type in Task Manager. Once it appears in the results, click on it to open it. Task Manager is a built-in Windows tool that lets you see which apps and background processes are currently running on your computer. This is useful because sometimes Chrome may look closed, but parts of it can still be active in the background, which can stop it from launching correctly the next time you try to open it. After Task Manager opens, look through the list of running apps and processes until you find Google Chrome. In some cases, you may see more than one Chrome process listed, and that is completely normal. Chrome often runs several processes at the same time for tabs, extensions, and background tasks. If Chrome is the issue, one or more of these processes may be stuck. Click on Chrome in the list. Then, if you see anything related to Chrome still running, close those items by selecting them and clicking End Task. This forces Windows to fully shut down Chrome and any background activity connected to it. Be aware that ending tasks will close any open Chrome windows or sessions that are currently running. So if something was open and unsaved in the browser, it may be lost. If Chrome is already unresponsive, though, this step is often necessary. Once you have ended all Chrome tasks, close Task Manager and try opening Chrome again normally. In many situations, Chrome will start working again right away because the stuck background process has been cleared. If Chrome opens successfully, then the issue was most likely caused by one of those frozen or hidden processes. This is a good first fix to try any time Chrome won't launch or seems to be running but does not appear on screen. That's it for this method. Follow these steps carefully and you should be able to get Google Chrome working again.